Hi students, welcome to our I Love Maths channel. Today we are going to see 10th CBSE Mathematics chapter 14 Statistics. Okay, you have studied in your lower class about mean, median and mode. Okay, let's see mean first. Okay, in this mean there are three methods: direct method, shortcut method, step deviation method. Okay, first we can see what is direct method. Okay, direct method. The formula for direct method is x bar is equal to sigma. This one we can say sigma, that means summation. Okay, sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. This is the formula. Example 1. Find the arithmetic mean, that means AM, of the following data. Okay, data they given xi and fi. Xi value 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Fi they given 7, 6, 8, 4, 5. Now I am going to make table. Okay, xi value, fi value. Now I am going to find fi xi value, because we need sigma fi xi value. For that, first of all we can find each fi xi value. Okay, that means you just multiply xi and fi. 5 7s are 35, 10 6 are 60, 15 into 8 120, 20 into 4 80 and 25 into 5 125. Okay, now we can find the total of this fi xi, that is sigma fi xy. Okay, just you add these numbers. The answer is 420. Now we can add fi values, that is 30. This one is called sigma fi. Okay, now we can apply the formula. So x bar equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. This is the formula for direct method. You can apply that sigma fi xi value, that is 420 divided by sigma fi we got already, that is 30. Okay, we can divide this, 0 0 get cancelled. You can cancel with 3 table, 1 3s are and 1 3s are 3, remaining 1 12, so 4 3. 14 is the answer. So mean is equal to, that means x bar is equal to 14. Okay. Next method, shortcut method or assume mean method. Okay. The formula for shortcut method, x bar is equal to a plus sigma I equal to 1 to n fi di divided by sigma fi. Okay. What is the a value means? The mid value of xi. You have to take middle value from xi. Okay, that is a. And dA you have to find, you have to subtract xi minus a. Okay, let's see the problem. This is a question they given, data they given. We have to find the mean marks. Okay, using shortcut method, that means assume mean method. So xi fi, I am going to make table now. Xi fi. Now I am going to find dA. What is the formula for dA? dA equal to xi minus a. What do you mean by a? How we can find? I told you we have to select the middle value from xi. So you can check which one is middle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers are there. So fifth one is middle value. So 25 is the middle value. So we can write 25 here. Okay, a is constant. Okay, now we can subtract xi minus ai. So that means 15 minus 25 is equal to 15 minus 25 minus 10. As usual, subtraction, big number sign is minus, so minus 10. Then 20 minus 25. You have to subtract xi minus a. I told you a is constant for all number. So you can subtract like this. 20 minus 25 is equal to minus 5. And 22 minus 25 is equal to minus 3. Then 24 minus 25 is equal to minus 1, and 25 minus 25 equal to 0. Then 30, so 30 minus 25 is equal to 5, and 33 minus 25 is equal to 8, and 38 minus 25 is equal to 13. Now 45 minus 25 is equal to 20. Okay. Now you have to find Fi di value. Fi di value. That means you have to multiply Fi value and this di value. Okay. So 5 into 10. That means minus 50. Because minus symbol is there. In multiplication, plus minus minus, as usual you can multiply. 5 tens are 50. 8 5s are 40 as usual. Minus symbol. Then 11 into 3. 11 3s are 33. And minus is there. So minus symbol. 20 into 1. Minus 20. Minus is there. Then 23 into 0. 0. Okay. 18 into 5. 5 90. Then 13 into 8, 104, and 3 into 13, 39, and 120 is a 20. Okay, this is our Fi di value. Now you have to add all this Fi di value. Then only we can get sigma Fi di. Okay, sigma Fi di. For that, what you have to do? First, you can add the minus values first. Then add the plus values. After that you can subtract. Okay, first we can add minus values. 50, 40, 90, 110, 110 plus 33, 143. If you add these minus values, the answer is minus 143. Now add this plus values. Answer is 253. So plus minus is there. Different symbol means we have to subtract. That you know. So you can subtract. 253 minus 143 is equal to 110. We have to put big number sign. That is 253. So 110 is the answer. Okay. So I am going to write sigma Fi di here 110. Next I am going to find sigma Fi value. That means you have to add all these Fi values. So the answer is sigma Fi is equal to, if you add these numbers, the answer is 102. Okay. Now I am going to apply the formula. So shortcut method or Ashwin method formula, x bar is equal to a plus sigma I equal to 1 to n Fi di divided by sigma Fi. Okay. We know a equal to 25 plus sigma Fi di value 110 and sigma Fi 102. Okay, so 25 plus, if you divide this number 110 divided with 102, you can get 1.078 etc. Okay, that approximately we can take 1.08. Okay, so then you add this 25 plus 1.08 like this way. 25.00, 1.08, so 26.08 is the answer. Okay. Third method, step deviation method. Okay. Formula, x bar is equal to a plus sigma I equal to 1 to n Fi ui divided by sigma Fi into h. Okay, this is the formula. Here ui equal to xi minus a divided by h. This is the formula for ui. First you have to use this formula to find ui, and h means that class size. Okay, class size means the intervals, class intervals between upper limit and lower limit. Okay, let's see the problem. This is a question. They given daily wages, number of workers. 400 to 420, 420 to 440, 440 to 460, 460 to 480 and 480 to 500. Number of workers 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Okay. Now I am going to make table daily wages here. FI number of workers that they given in question 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Okay. Now XI means class mark. How we can find XI? You have to add upper limit and lower limit and divide by 2. So 400 plus 420 is equal to 820. If you divide 820 by 2 means 410. Okay, how to find XI? I repeat, you just add 420, that means upper limit and lower limit and divide by 2. 420 plus 440 equal to 860. 860 divided by 2 is equal to 430. Then 440 plus 460 is equal to 900. 900 divided by 2 is equal to 450. Then now 460 plus 480 is equal to 940 divided by 2 is equal to 470. And 480 plus 500 is equal to 980 divided by 2 equal to 490. Okay, this is our XI value. Now we are going to find UI. UI equal to XI minus A divided by H is the formula. First we have to select A value, that already you know. We have to select middle value of XI, that is 450. So A equal to 450. Okay, now H means I told you class size. What is class size? The difference between upper limit and lower limit. What is the difference here? 20. In each interval 20 is the difference. So that is our H value. So UI equal to XI minus A divided by H. UI XI value 410 minus A value 450 divided by H 20. So if you subtract minus 40 divided by 20, so 120s are 20, 220s are 40, minus is there, so minus 2. Next 430, XI is 430, 430 minus A value fixed I told you, so minus 450 divided by 20. So minus 20 divided by 20, if you cancel, minus 1 is the answer. Then 450, 450 minus 450 is equal to 0, 0 by 20 is equal to 0. Then 470 minus 450 is equal to 20, 20 by 20 equal to 1 and 490 XI value. So 490 minus 450 divided by 20 is equal to 40 by 20. So the answer is 2. Okay. Now we got UI value. Now we have to find FI UI. For that, you just multiply FI and UI value. 12 into 2, 24, plus into minus, minus. 14 into 1, 14. So minus 14. And 8 into 0, 0. Then 6 into 1, 6. And 10 twos are 20. Okay. So now you have to find sigma FI UI value. For that, you just add minus values first. That is 24, 14 is equal to 38. So minus 38 plus 26 equal to minus 12. If you subtract, the answer is minus 12. The same way, you just find sigma FI value. That means you just add FI values. Sigma FI is equal to 50. Now I am going to apply the formula. A equal to 450, sigma FI equal to 50, sigma FI UI equal to minus 12 and H equal to 20. Now step deviation formula, we know X bar is equal to A plus H into sigma I equal to 1 to N FI UI divided by sigma FI. We know A value 450, so 450 plus H value 20 into sigma FI UI value minus 12 divided by 50. So 450 plus into minus minus 12 into 20 240 divided by 50. Now 0 0 get cancelled. Now we can divide 24 by 5. 4 5s are 20, remaining 4 and you can add 1 0. So 8 5s are 40. So the quotient 4.8, 450 minus 4.8, we have to subtract. How we can subtract? 450.0 and 4.8. As usual, you can borrow 10, here 9. So 2 and 5. Then, yeah, 4 here. So 445.2 rupees. So answer mean is equal to rupees 445.2. Okay.